guys, I'm Julian, and today in this video I show you how to get rid of the sewer smell in the bathroom. You need one of these. It's not so expensive. I think it's $3. This is for 32, but be careful, you need a hole of 38. Because here I have 32 and I make 38, and now it's perfect. And I show you how it works. When have enough water, he opens. When the water stops, he closes automatically. This one like this. This is all. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Have a nice day.